Hello again, everybody. Welcome to the week 2 discussion board. So I try to put a video into each discussion board just to kind of give you an understanding of what it is we're talking about, and to give you a little bit of a couple maybe tips or tricks or some prompts that might help you as you start to kind of put together your discussion board thread. Okay, now remember, the rubric does require that you have at least one initial post each week, and that initial post should be at least 150 words, and then at least 3 replies to 3 different people as well. So minimum, you want to have at least 4 posts overall, and you want to spread those out over at least 3 days in a given week. So that's what the rubric requires. There will be, you do have access to the discussion rubric, and I will be sending it out and I will be posting it so that you do understand kind of what is expected of you. But this is a really great discussion topic to start off kind of the full weeks of this class. Slacktivism. What is slacktivism? Well, it's what's called a portmanteau. It's these 2 words combined together, slacker and activist, slacktivism. So in the world of social media, and we think primarily of things like Twitter and Facebook, there is this tendency to kind of get involved in some sort of issue or some sort of movement or something like that. But you getting involved is really just you changing your profile picture for a week or posting something that somebody else posts, and boom, you're a part of the movement, and boom, you're making a difference in the world. Maybe, maybe not. But slacktivism is really that, is kind of trying to be an activist in kind of a slacker way. Maybe you're not raising money, maybe you're not going out there and marching for a certain cause or trying to, convince people of a certain kind of thing. You're just doing the bare minimum and saying that I am now an activist and I am a champion for cause or something like that. Is that really the case, though? So what we talk about in this week, and there's the information that you've seen, there's a video, and please watch it, is about what happened a number of years ago in Nigeria when this terrorist group, Boko Haram, kidnapped hundreds of girls from a school and sold them into slavery. Now, many, if not most of these girls are still, have not been found. And so a lot of people throughout Europe and the United States and Canada were horrified by this, rightly so, and so they changed their profile pic, or they used the hashtag #BringBackOurGirls on Twitter and things like that. Did that really do very much? Well, no, it didn't, and it eventually kind of died out, and it's immensely tragic because these are lives that were at stake, and not much happened there. So my question to you is, how have you seen slacktivism in your own life? Have you interacted this way, or have you done this kind of thing? And more importantly, do you think that social media can kind of make you lazier, right? If we so easily fall into these kinds of traps or these bad habits, is it say something about our interaction with social media in general, right? Does it make us lazier thinkers? Are we not as good critical thinkers as we might think we are, right? So that's what I'd like you to talk about a little bit is, what is slacktivism? What impact do you think it has maybe in your own life, or how have you seen that appear in other people's lives? And why does it matter that we're talking about this? And ultimately, does our technology kind of make us lazier? And if so, how? So this discussion always prompts a lot of really fruitful conversation. So I'm very much looking forward to seeing what you all bring to the table this week. Thanks, folks.